This is Suji Halwa Chocolate Flavor. It tastes good. First time that I made this kind of sweets. And this kind of sweet is a very common sweet here in Pakistan and in India. I made this as a dessert for our dessert today, but then I used a different flavor. I made it in my own flavor, but the same way on how they cook it. So I'm gonna show it to you. Please stay tuned until the end. Thank you. Before we continue, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to give me your subscribe. If you like this video, click the like, and if you want to be notified for my future video, click the notification bell. Thank you so much and stay tuned. 3 cups of water, 12 pieces of almond, dried grapes, and also coconut. And this is the kind of coconut that I have in here. I need half cup of water as well to dissolve the chocolate powder. Here I use a cocoa or cocoa powder. I will mix it nicely until the chocolate powder is nicely dissolved or there is no more lumps at all. So just like that. Alright, make sure that there is no more lumps left. I will add it on the boiling water slowly and mix it at the same time. Mix it nicely to make sure that the chocolate is nicely mixed with the water. I will add 1.5 cup of white sugar. If you want, you can use brown sugar as well. Again, mix it until the sugar is nicely dissolved. After mixing it, leave it for a while and let it boil while preparing the other ingredients. Okay, so let us start for the second step. We need 2 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil or ghee, but here I use ghee. Let it melt and a little bit hot, then add lychee seeds. Fry it a little bit and then add all the dried ingredients. Fry it until it becomes golden brown. Now it looks brown or golden brown, so let us remove it from the oil. After removing all those dried ingredients, let us add another half cup of ghee or cooking oil. Whatever oil that you want or any kind of butter, you can use it as well. Then add 1 cup of suji. Roast it or fry it until it becomes golden brown. It's now golden brown in color. I will add all the dried ingredients to the chocolate mixture, then mix it and boil and let it boil for a while or a little bit, and then add it on the roasted or fried suji. Once all the mixture is already added to the suji, cover it for a while and let it be cooked for at least 5 minutes in a low fire. After 5 minutes, check it and it will be just like this. I'm gonna store it in a plastic box and place it in the refrigerator for a better taste. A few hours, we can eat the suji, and this is how it looks like. Now let us eat our suji. This is Suji ka Halwa chocolate flavor. It tastes good. And yes, that is my Suji ka Halwa chocolate flavor. Let's try it as well. I mind you guys, it really tastes nice. It tastes like a Paji chocolate bar. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching and staying until the end. See you on my next video. Have a great day.